Love Us channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered pretzels. Over here you see we have two different types of sprinkles. We have girl sprinkles, you see hearts, and we have boy sprinkles. You can pick whichever, or you can use them both if you have a girl or a boy. So as you can see here, we have dark chocolate. These are my personal favorites. We have white chocolate, and we have milk chocolate, the Hershey's. I like them. I like all of these. And then here we have our fresh strawberries. And you can buy these from any stores, and you could buy one of them, but I prefer to get them all. And right here we have this baking sheet. It's so the chocolate doesn't get stuck on the paper. It's so it doesn't get stuck, yeah. So, let me have our fresh strawberries right there. I love strawberries. Okay, other than that, let's get started with the video. Let's go. The topic of today, you're gonna need two bowls. One has to be bigger than the other, but the bowl that's boiling has to be bigger than the other one. And as you can see, this one is completely dry. You have to make sure it's completely dry. See, this one is smaller than the other one. It's boiling, so be careful. We're gonna open it. We're starting with the white chocolate. By little. Oh, the chocolate smell, it smells so good. As you can see, the chocolate's all melted. Just gonna keep stirring. The sides. Be very careful because it can be very hot. And it's very heavy.
Stir it a little bit.
You want to stir it at least just a little. Now I'm going to select a few strawberries so I can put them over there. So yes, since we have to use more, so I'm going to use. that if it won't look perfect or not. Because either way, you'll be proud of yourself, and at least you know that you made something delicious and you can share it with your entire family. So we have our other other pretzel, and we're gonna dip it in chocolate. So now that we're finally done with this chocolate-covered strawberry pretzels, I'm sorry, I'm so excited I'm losing my voice. Now that we're done with the vanilla, it's time to go on with the dark chocolate. My favorite. Oh dear, I need a spoon. Wait, I have an idea. Great, I got my spoon. So, I'm so happy. As you can see, we have so much extra. And we have these beautiful chocolate covered pretzels. But we left the best of all. Even though this is the best out for me. The milk chocolate. Hey! I know you guys want. Last ingredient is gonna be the Hershey milk chocolate. This isn't the one I normally get because you have to peel them. But that's okay because I love these. So let's get to peeling. Now they're all done peeling. Very happy. As you can see, we officially finished with the milk chocolate. Hey! Now that we're done, it's time to share. So Grandpa, come over here and pick.
You want a dish? It looks delicious.